I think it's a great opportunity to experience and socialize with other people in the welding community and network. And I think Capital Region BOCES has helped me become a better academic student because it gives more opportunities to be hands-on.
It's definitely a new experience. It's nice to be out here, get used to the nerves and the uneasy feeling and still doing what you got to do.
I think it's pretty cool to be able to compete in the competition, just to see how you place against other people.
It's definitely an eye-opener. You know, you see other techniques that are being done and you can, learn from it, or you can put some input in, and it's a great thing having everybody else here because you see like different people, different techniques.